This is your handover video on the Elddis Crusader Mistral. So we'll start off at the front. You've got the Alco stabiliser. So the black handle on the stabiliser goes up, toggle in, black handle down, stabiliser pushes down. To release, stabiliser up, black handle up, toggle comes out. Breakaway cable, jockey wheel, handbrake. Your gas locker with two spaces to put two gas bottles, butane or propane, bulkhead regulator. And obviously at the front here you've got your 13 pin plug, so your 13 pin plug will go into your car. Obviously turns all the lights on, and also have an ATC fitted. When connected to your car, it also gives 12 volts to the fridge if your car is wired up correctly. Around here we have your whale pump inlet, where your pump goes into the alcohol and then slots into there and slides down. Your battery locker, suitable to fit a 110 amp or 85 amp battery. Your two 30 mains inlet, and towards the back we have your toilet cassette where you empty all your waste. Pulls out like so. As you can see, all the lights are working as they should. And your awning light. Now inside the van. Inside the van, on the right hand side, you have all your buttons and your controls. So obviously this one here, that does the master in and out of the van, and obviously you've got individual, which does individual lights. Right at that, you've got water pump on. So obviously in the central position, that will come out the taps, and obviously you open all the taps, obviously all the water will come out. Obviously you have to drain all the air out first. So then what you do is, if you want to fill the tank on board, you press this button here, that will fill. So that has to be on that orange light like so. That will fill the inboard tank, and obviously on here it will tell you how much you've got in it. And once it's full or half full, you can press internal, and it opens the taps and turn the pump on, and that will run from your internal tank. Above here you have your Audi control panel. So to turn on, you've got the power button right there. Once it's on, you've got just some background settings, what the temperature is in the van, and if you've got mains in the van. Top here you've got your internal temperature, what you want to set it to. So you've got 0 to 30. Then you've got your water on hot or boost. Then obviously you've got the source, so 1 kilowatt, 2 kilowatt, 3 kilowatt, or you can have it on gas, or you can have it on both. To turn off, just hold the button like so for a few seconds and it will turn off. Before running water into the van, underneath your right hand side sofa, you will have a drain off valve, which should be sitting in a horizontal position, like so. To the right hand side of that, you have your consumer unit, where you have your main RCD and 3 MCBs and 12 volt sockets, 12 volt fuses, sorry. To the right of me here, I have your fridge. So to turn on, hold the button like so. You've got 3 settings. You've got electric, gas, or battery. Electric will only work when connected to 230. Gas will also only work when connected to gas. It will start ticking, and when it is lit, the blue light will stay solid. If not, this will be flashing red and these will be flashing blue, like so. Battery will only work when connected to your car if your car is wired up correctly. So obviously if you are on gas and it doesn't like the first time and that's flashing, just press it as it's set there. It's just a reset. To turn it off, hold the power button like so, and it is off. You have a Thetford oven with an electric burner and 3 gas hobs. Obviously as you can hear, that is the fan. So obviously once this comes down, the fan turns off, and when it is up, the fan turns on. To light the electric one, or to turn it on, you've got settings 1 to 6, so you just turn it 1 to 6 and obviously the electric hob will get hot. To turn off, central position. With these, the gas hobs, you push it in, turn it to the flame, and then hold the igniter button. And that goes for all 3. With the grill, same thing again, turn it onto the flame while the igniter button as well. And same thing with the oven. To turn on, put it to what setting you want, and the igniter as well. To turn off, just put it back in the central position. When everything's cooled down, you'll be able to take down the gas lid. In the bathroom, we have your Thetford toilet. So obviously this one doesn't need to be filled up. You've got your water on board. It feeds from the water in the van. So obviously what you do your business, and you turn it, you press the button, and obviously that will send water into the toilet, and then to release, you push the flap away from you and then back. The toilet cassette will only come out when it is closed. Before we do the power touch demonstration on the mover, you've got an alarm fitted. So you press 1 to set the alarm and 2 to disengage it. And above your head here you have the PIR, so obviously that will be flashing when it is set, and obviously will detect any movement and will go off. To the left of me here we have your winterization sheet. So obviously it just tells you when you have to winterize your van and how to do it. And then your warranty cover just tells you what you are covered for and what you are not. But obviously it will be left in here, and your van will be drained when it leaves the workshop. Your van has a power touch manual engage fitted to the van. So first of all, you want to get your bar, stick your bar onto the slot like so, engage it to the wheel till you hear the clunk and it's engaged like so, which will do both sides. You then want to go inside. Under the sofa you have your isolation switch down here like so. Turn that clockwise, sorry. Now you're ready to take your handbrake off. Handbrake comes off. On the controller, hold these 2 buttons like so, and you're ready to go. So let's go forward, like so, backwards. Basically it just follows the arrows on the controller. Once finished, turn the controller off like so. Handbrake up to disengage the motors. Get the bar back on there again like so, and pull it away from the wheel. Once that's disconnected, go back inside the van underneath the sofa and turn the key off. Thank you.